In this video I'm going to play the second violin part of Jingle Bells. I'm going to use the backing track which is included with the book Fiddletime Christmas by David and Kathy Blackwell. So I have arranged this part. It uses easy peasy notes, open string A, D and E, so there's no G string. There is an 8-bar introduction, then we play it through, then there's a repeat, so we do the introduction again and then we play the second verse. So this sheet music is can be found on my website, which is www.stringmaestro.co.uk. I've also made a video of the cello part as well. So here, and to add a little bit of Christmas spirit, here's some lighting. Hooray! Okay, so here we go. Bar 2, bar 3, bar 4. Boom, boom, boom. I really like that bit. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use whole bows. Accent the start of the notes. Get a little ping. Nice and lively. Nice big tone. Do a big whoosh here. And whoosh! There you go. You can do some dancing here if you want. Boom, boom.